Hi, this is Aisha from Skin Fashion, and today we are here to make soap for rashes, for ringworms, for heat rashes, eczema, all the stuff that you don't want on your skin. So what I'm going to use is this plant here. I don't know the botanical name for it, but in Ghana we call it oshikru. Oshi means burn, and kro means wound or sore. And we are going to add this one here. Here we call it sempe, but the botanical name for this I know. It's called Senna alata. Okay, these very good plants. Growing up, when we have ringworms or other kinds, I remember my grandmother would just grind this up, scrape the problem area a bit, and then put the juice on it, and it really heals, and cures it. So let's just do it. This one here is a bit tricky because it's got thorns on it, so there's no way you can plug it out. You need to cut it. So in addition to these two herbs, we'll be adding charcoal also. We all know charcoal is good. What charcoal does is it's like sucks out all the bad stuff from from the skin. So in the past, I've done this soap. It's on my site on Etsy. I add the charcoal so the color comes out, This is the activated charcoal. The color comes out black, but this time around I want to separate the charcoal from this just to design it a little bit, make it a little bit more interesting. So that's what we're going to do. This stuff is really good. This Senna alata, just amazing. Like I said, God is so good. He gave us a lot, so much. So let's utilize it. The next step is just to wash it. Oh. Okay, let's continue. My, look at all that foam. That is the good stuff. Enzymes. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Pretty much. Yeah. Have an idea. This is good stuff. So like I said, normally I will mix all this with the charcoal, but today I want to make it into two colors. Just the green stuff and the charcoal, just to make it beautiful. And but same benefits anyway. So don't panic. Looks like lots of foam. Let's just add a little bit more. Okay. This is out of the way. Okay. So come see. See the liquid? All the foam. That's the enzymes, good stuff. Oh, watch it change with the line in it. Got all the heat coming out of it. So like I said, I was making two separate soap. The charcoal will be separate, so I'll be using this water here for the charcoal. Some leaves and stuff there. Ooh, look at the heat coming out of it. Look at the heat. But just stand there. Okay, so we're just gonna let this cool down a bit, and then we'll, while we get our oils ready, and then we'll come back and continue.